we were in college, and then one of my buddies was hanging out with her. She knew some people, some other friends of mine, and then he had to go for a little bit, and he dropped her off in our dorm for a little bit. He's like, hey, why don't you hang out with my buddies here for a little bit?
I was friends with a lot of his friends, like in the fraternities, because I was in a sorority, and it was pretty casual. I was hanging out at Beta.
And so she came in, we're like, okay, hey, would you like some dinner? We just cooked some. And she's like, yeah. And she ate a ton of it, just plowed through a lot of our food. We usually have leftovers. We had none that night.
And they had made like some really good food, so I ate it and I left. And I think Forrest said, like, who was that girl? Like, to Larry, and Larry was like, I have no idea.
I turned to my roommate, Larry, and I'm like, Larry, who was that? And he's like, no idea. That was my first encounter with Amanda. She just came in and ate all our food, so.
And then the next day I saw him at a party, and he was like, Amanda? I was like, I have no idea who you are. But then we just started hanging out and everything. It was actually in a group for a while, but then we just started hanging out, just the two of us, and then, went from there, so. Here I am.
So pretty.
Both Amanda and Forrest, they're first class in everything that they do. They have high expectations. They like to do things correctly, and they always have a positive attitude. Most importantly, they're just slightly competitive, but we're proud to say the least.
Hey. Aw. Love you too.
Sorry, Mrs. Astor.
Are you? I love you too. You look beautiful.
Thank you. Forrest and Amanda, you two are perfect for each other. It's been such a blessing to have you both in my life, and I'm happy to say you've become my closest friends. Forrest, I want to thank you for loving my best friend with a caring and patient heart. And Amanda, you're more beautiful than Cinderella. And you smell like pine needles, and you have a face like sunshine. And I can feel like I can communicate with you with simply a look. I am so honored to be a part of your special day.
We are gathered here in the presence of God, family, and friends to unite Amanda and Forrest in marriage. Now, marriage is a unique human relationship where self-giving love can grow and develop to its fullest potential. It is unique because it is within the promise of marriage that two people commit to creating a mutually shared identity and grow into that new identity together. As in the words of Jesus from the book of Mark, for this reason a man will leave his father and mother and be united to his wife, and the two will become one flesh. So they are no longer two, but one flesh. Amanda, who you are is now bound to Forrest, and Forrest, who you are is now bound to Amanda. It will take trust to know that in your hearts you truly want what is best for each other. It will take dedication to stay open to one another and to learn and grow together. It will take faith to go forward together without knowing exactly what the future brings. And it will take commitment to hold true to the journey that you have both pledged to today. Forrest, you may kiss your bride. It is my pleasure to introduce to you, for the very first time, Mr. and Mrs. Forrest Morrow.
Be that silver lining to the story. If you thought that I would turn and run, then y'all don't know me. Made my fears rest in peace, cause that's a old me. Got this taste on my tongue, I crave the glory. Gasoline in my veins, be the fuel through my pain. Oh, as we rise from the flames. Heart of a lion.
Throughout the years, it's been 4 years, you guys have been together, you guys have gained trust and love and respect and all of the good qualities together. It's been really beautiful to watch, and you guys are a model relationship. You really are.
Oh, it's time to fire on up. Oh, it's time to fire on up.
Enjoy your life together as I know you will, and just remember this one proverb. Let love and faithfulness never leave you. Bind them around your neck. Write them on the tablet of your heart.
My brother told me that he was going to marry her. I had no doubt in my mind that was the right decision. I cannot think of anyone that deserves each other more than they do. With that, I'll say that I love them very much and wish them a happy life and a happy marriage. Godspeed.
Godspeed.